Hey everyone, what is up? This is Latika and welcome to another video. This week's Alazami shoutout goes to Explore with Isha. Thank you so much for your lovely comment this week. If you want to check out all my other social media platforms, here are all the links. Alright, welcome to this week's Fashion Friday video. I feel it's been a long while since I just sat down to do a Fashion Friday video. Even though I'm so happy with my schedule now, like with my YouTube schedule, I'm posting every Wednesday, Friday and Sunday, and yes, I'm finally back on track. So excited for that. Now for today's video, you basically of course have the festival season going on, and also it's getting a little bit chilly, at least here in Delhi. So I personally wanted to shop for some party wear tops. So I thought of why not doing a tops haul from Amazon, and of course these products are for the festival season, party season, and I've kept in mind the weather change also. And of course all of the products are within a really good budget. For example, what I'm wearing, which looks so glam and so fancy, is literally for around rupees 300. So all of the products I've shopped from the Amazon Great Indian Sale. Now Amazon has sponsored this video, but honestly I personally am shopping so much from this sale. There are some crazy offers going on, great discounts going on. All of the tops you're going to be seeing are great value for money. I got them at really good discounts, and I thought why not share it with you. Now we're going to start with what I'm wearing. I personally love this color so much. When I saw it in the picture, when I saw it in person, I was instantly attracted to it. It's this beautiful plum color, like a plum wineish color, and I did not have anything like this. It is perfect for the upcoming fall winter season. Oh my god, are you team summer or team winter? Because I am so excited for the winter season. I love winter ke clothes more than summer ke clothes. It is full sleeve. It has these button detailings around. It has these button detailing on the cuffs as well, so kind of giving like a formalish vibe as well. As I insert the picture of the product, you can see the before and after price of it, and honestly I am loving this. If you want to shop a lot this season, then you can keep things budget friendly, and this according to me fits right into it. Moving on to the next one, it is this top from Only, which is a really good brand. Their fabrics are always on point, and this is a really cute kind of pastel lime greenish color. It's a very simple ribbed top with some puffed sleeves. You can wear this for a very casual party with jeans and heels, or even style this up with trousers, and of course layer this in the winter season as well. It's half sleeved and has a round collar, and yeah, I think it's a really cute budget friendly option, and this was around rupees 500, which is a pretty good price. For the next one, I think one of my top favorites, it's this red wineish color, and it's kind of pleated, kind of ruched overall, and at the bottom you can see that there is a tie-up as well, so you can tie this up at the back. You can make this half of the shoulder or complete off the shoulder, and again I'm loving the color. Just such a nice option to style on an everyday basis as well, or style for upcoming parties you may have. And I think just the bottom panel like completes it, because if you look closely, it also has a very tiny cross. So yeah, it just looks very nice. Moving on to this next top, this is of a much lighter color. I did want to keep a variety of colors as well. Now the fabric of this one is also completely different. This is a very soft cotton blend. This one is off the shoulder as well and has this cape of the shoulder effect, and it just has a really pretty pattern going on. Some green leaves, hints of pinks with these birds drawn on. It is from Vero Moda, and this is for around rupees 330 on sale right now, which for a Vero Moda top is a really good price point. Okay, next, simple yet stunning. So a very simple navy blue top, and then you have this dropped shoulder, off shoulder effect. Today we have a theme of off shoulders going on in all different kinds of varieties, but yeah, I think this is a really good option. The fabric of this one is super comfortable, super breathable, round collar, and again a really nice party wear option. I love the color. It's navy blue. I have tried to fit in as many colors as possible today, but I just thought it was a really cozy, comfortable yet stylish option. Okay, moving on, I think this is the exact same structure as this top I'm wearing, the purple top. It's just in a different fabric in a different pattern. So again, this square neck, which I'm loving, like it's suiting me really well, and you have buttons down the center and then it flows down. Now this one also has, like, both of these tops have a zipper at the side, so it's very easy to close, and just, you know, the structure of that holds really nicely. It is in a gorgeous baby pink color with hints of darker pinks and greens. And again, fabric of this one, I wanted to make sure that all of the fabric, even though under a budget, should still be very much wearable and very much comfortable for a long evening. And this is around the rupees 400 range, which is a really good price point. Okay, we एक ही color बचा था, I think yellow ही बचा था at this point. So this is the next top. I know yellow is a very summer color, but still, if you like wearing yellows in winters as well, but it is a festive color though. So it's this top from Harpa. You have a V-neck, you have 3/4 sleeves going on. They are almost dropped and like cape-like sleeves, which I think is very cute. Fabric of this one, again, comfortable to wear, and just the back of this one has a little bit of a twist. So it has this keyhole down the bottom with 2 button enclosures, and the back has the elastic so that it hugs your body really well. Again, under rupees 350. So if you're looking for, you know, party friendly tops under a budget, I hope this helped. Next is a little bit different, and of course we had to have a black option in this haul. So it is a peplum top. Gosh, I haven't worn a peplum top since so long, and I thought it would be a really cute option for some people. The neck of this one is entirely like laser cut, and you have 3/4 sleeves, and of course down the waist you have a elastic, and then it flows down. The material of this one is thick, like you won't be able to wear this on a hot day, so keep that in mind. And yeah, I just thought it was really cute, really different. Again, if you want to go black, if you want to keep it simple yet a little bit of fun, then I thought this would be a good budget friendly option. I hope this video helped. I hope you found some good options for upcoming festivities, parties, and of course don't forget to check them out on Amazon. The Great Indian Festival sale is going on. You can catch all of these products and so many more product options on great discounts, on great offers. And yeah, I just hope it helped. Even I needed to like restock my blouse wardrobe, so for me this was a super duper fun video to do. And I just can't get over this top. Like, I'm really loving the look today. Kind of self-obsessed today, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Also, let me know what kind of videos do you want to see more. I've done a pretty good mix this month, so let me know what are you enjoying and what videos do you want to see in the future. In case any other thoughts, ideas, questions, feedback you may have, please also drop them down in the comments box below. And yes, I shall see you very soon with another video.